For many Filipinos, getting to work during the rainy season means taking a risk every step of the way. As the saying goes, when it rains, it pours. And for those forced to wade through flood waters, the threat of leptospirosis can be as dangerous as the flood itself. We hear the full report from our Carlo Luis Candelaria.
Studio Lightman Daniel regularly passes through flooded streets on his way to work. He said he often has no choice but to wade through flood waters that may be contaminated with rat urine, even when he has wounds on his feet. Daniel has previously suffered from leptospirosis, so he fears contracting the disease again, especially with the high cost of treatment.
Medyo mahirap kasi hindi naman kami, normal na tao lang naman kami. Pero yung gastusin, yung bayad ng bills, mabigat din. Sa airpat nun, syempre, problema rin, tsaka sa airmat. Kung anong ibabayad dun.
With the rainy season now underway and flooding becoming more frequent, the Department of Health or DOH is urging the public to avoid wading through flood waters. If unavoidable, the public is advised to wear boots and wash thoroughly after exposure. Common symptoms of leptospirosis include high fever, severe headache, chills, muscle pain, and redness of the eyes. Good news because starting July 15, PhilHealth will offer an expanded benefit package for patients diagnosed with leptospirosis. Under the enhanced package, qualified beneficiaries may receive up to 63,000 pesos for hospital care, 170,000 pesos for hemodialysis, and 230,000 pesos for peritoneal dialysis. According to Malacanang, the total benefit for patients requiring critical treatment may reach as much as 411,000 pesos.
Simula July 15, mas pinalawak na ang coverage ng Philippine Health Insurance Corporation para sa moderate hanggang severe na kaso ng leptospirosis. Alinsunod ito sa hangarin ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na mas marami ang makakuha ng kinakailangang gamutan nang hindi nalulubog sa napakalaking gastusin.
PhilHealth is also offering free consultations under its Yaman ng Kalusugan or PhilHealth Yakap program, where Filipinos may receive prescriptions for medications against leptospirosis, including doxycycline. Daniel welcomed the news of PhilHealth's expanded benefit package for leptospirosis patients. He said the additional assistance would be a great help to people like him who are frequently exposed to the risk of contracting the disease.
Maraming salamat sa PhilHealth kung ganyan. Kasi yung mga Pilipino na may hirap na tulad ko, na hindi kayang bumili ng gamot, ng magbayad ng pinalsyal na sa bills, makakagaan din yan.
Carlo Luis Candelaria for The Nation.